Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 cool innovative tools that will make your life easier. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. The hose splitter is an innovative tool that allows you to split one faucet into two different hoses, making it easy to water two separate areas at once. This is especially useful if you have a large lawn or garden that requires frequent watering. One of the great features of the hose splitter is that it's made from all metal, which means it's durable and can withstand outdoor elements. This ensures that the splitter will last for a long time, saving you money in the long run. The splitter also comes with a shut-off valve, which allows you to control the water flow to each hose. This means that you can easily turn off one hose while you're using the other, saving you time and water. Another great feature of the hose splitter is that it's easy to install. Simply attach the splitter to your faucet and you're ready to go. This means that you don't need any special tools or expertise to set it up.
The Kata 1 3/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch door lock installation kit for wooden doors is a set of tools that are used to install a new lock on a wooden door. The kit includes a guide template, door lock hole saw, and carbon steel drill bit. The guide template is used to ensure that the lock hole is drilled in the correct location. This is important because if the hole is not drilled in the correct location, the lock may not fit properly, or it may not work at all. The guide template is designed to fit on the door and provide a visual guide for where to drill the hole. The door lock hole saw is used to cut the hole for the lock in the door. This tool is designed to cut through wood quickly and easily, making the installation process faster and more efficient. The saw is also designed to fit the standard size of door locks, which makes it easy to use for most types of locks. The carbon steel drill bit is included in the kit and is used to drill the pilot holes needed for the saw. This drill bit is made from high-quality materials to ensure that it lasts a long time. It's also designed to fit the standard size of door locks, which makes it a versatile tool to have around the house.
The KES Bathroom Sink Drain Stopper Without Overflow Vessel Sink is an innovative tool that is designed to make your life easier. This drain stopper is perfect for vessel sinks without overflow, which is a common feature in modern bathroom sinks. One of the great features of this drain stopper is the detachable hair catcher. This catcher is designed to catch any hair or debris that may go down the sink, preventing clogs and keeping your sink clean and hygienic. The drain stopper is also made from high-quality materials, with a polished chrome finish that adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The materials used in this drain stopper are also durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it will continue to work smoothly for years to come. Another great feature of this drain stopper is the pop-up design. This allows you to easily open and close the drain with a simple press, making it easy to use and convenient. The Imperial Blade's 1-Fit 4in1 Features Drywall Blade is a versatile tool that is designed to make drywall cutting easier and more efficient. It has 4 different functions, including cutting, scoring, jab saw, and rasp. The cutting function is ideal for quickly cutting through drywall, while the scoring function creates a clean cut on the surface of the drywall, making it easier to snap and remove excess material. The jab saw function is useful for cutting holes in drywall for outlets, light switches, or other fixtures. The rasp function is great for smoothing out rough edges and making sure everything looks clean and polished. In addition to its versatility, the Imperial Blade's 1-Fit 4in1 Features Drywall Blade also has a one-fit system that allows it to fit on most multi-tools. This means that you can use it with your existing tool, which saves you money and time. The blade is also made from high-quality materials, which ensures that it will last a long time and perform at a high level. The Rigid Easy Change Plumbing Wrench is a tool designed to make faucet installation and removal quick and easy. It has a unique design that allows you to easily change between different sizes of nuts and fittings without using multiple tools. Its compact size and slim profile make it ideal for working in tight spaces. One of the best features of this wrench is its reversible jaw, which allows you to quickly switch between tightening and loosening nuts and fittings. This saves you time and effort and ensures that you can complete the job quickly and efficiently. The wrench is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. The Rigid Easy Change Plumbing Wrench is particularly useful for people who need to work in tight spaces and need to quickly switch between different sizes of nuts and fittings. The wrench's reversible jaw, combined with its comfortable grip, makes it easy to use for extended periods of time. The dual-purpose combined universal vise is a versatile and reliable tool designed for woodworking projects. This vise has a 360-degree swivel base that allows for easy rotation and adjustment, making it perfect for both bench and table use. Its quick adjustment feature allows you to easily switch between different clamping widths, and its 3.3-inch movable jaws provide a secure grip on your workpiece. The vise is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and store when not in use. This makes it a great investment for woodworkers of all skill levels, whether working on a small hobby project or a large-scale woodworking project. The dual-purpose combined universal vise is easy to use and provides a secure grip on your workpiece, making it an essential tool for all types of woodworking projects. Its versatility, portability, and quick adjustment feature make it a convenient and efficient tool that can be used in a variety of settings. The Aid-Life Metal Shears Attachment is a tool designed to make cutting metal easier and more efficient. It is an attachment that can be used with a cordless drill, impact driver, or drill. The attachment is made from high-quality metal and is durable enough to handle heavy-duty use. It has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to use and transport. The shears attachment can be easily attached to the drill or impact driver and can be used to cut various types of metal, including sheet metal, corrugated metal, and aluminum. One of the best features of the Aid-Life Metal Shears Attachment is its versatility. It can be used with a wide range of drills and impact drivers, making it a great addition to any toolbox. The attachment is also designed to make cutting metal safer, as it reduces the risk of hand injuries and provides a clean and precise cut. The Mopped Woodworking Scribing Steel Ruler Positioning Block is a tool designed for woodworking and DIY projects. This tool consists of a steel ruler and a positioning block made of aluminum alloy. The ruler is designed to help you accurately measure and mark the length and width of your workpiece, while the positioning block ensures that your marks are precise and consistent. The tool is designed to be used for scribing, which is the process of marking a line on a workpiece to indicate where it needs to be cut or shaped. The ruler and positioning block work together to ensure that your scribe marks are straight and even, which is important for ensuring a precise cut or shape. The Mopped Woodworking Scribing Steel Ruler Positioning Block is easy to use, and the ruler and block can be easily adjusted to fit your specific project needs. The tool is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to use in a variety of settings. The Revolutionize Drill Depth Stop is a tool designed to help you achieve consistent and precise drill depths when working with various types of drill bits. This tool consists of an adjustable drill stop collar set made of aluminum, which can be used with different sizes of drill bits ranging from 5/64 inch, 3/16 inch, 15/64 inch, and 7/16 inch. The drill stop collar set is designed to be easily attached to your drill bit, and it features an adjustable collar that can be set to the desired depth. Once the collar is set to the correct depth, the drill bit will stop drilling at the precise depth, ensuring that your holes are consistent and accurate every time. The Revolutionize Drill Depth Stop is a versatile tool that can be used with a range of woodworking and hand tools, making it a great addition to any DIY enthusiast or professional's toolbox. It is easy to use and can help save time and effort by eliminating the need for multiple drill bits or constantly adjusting your drilling depth manually. The Kata Hole Saw Set is a 20-piece set that includes everything you need to create clean, precise holes in a variety of materials. The set comes with 13 different hole saw blades, ranging in size from 3/4 inch to 6 inch, 19 to 152 mm, as well as 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, 1 installation plate, and 1 hex key. The hole saw blades included in the set are designed to be used on softwood, plywood, drywall, PVC, and other similar materials. They feature sharp teeth that can easily cut through the material, leaving a clean and precise hole. The 2 mandrels included in the set are designed to hold the hole saw blades securely in place during use, while the 3 drill bits are used to create a pilot hole for the hole saw blade to follow. The installation plate is used to help guide the hole saw blade during use, ensuring that the hole is created in the correct location and at the correct depth. The Kata Hole Saw Set is a versatile and useful tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It can be used in a variety of projects, including woodworking, construction, plumbing, and electrical work. The set is easy to use, and the blades and bits can be easily changed out as needed.